Back at the bus today. Finally, it's been a warm-ish day today, so I was able to get on here and do a little bit of work. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and Happy Holidays. Hope you guys have had a good one. It is 2018. It's kind of crazy to think that it's already here. New year. Hopefully a way better year than last year. So what better to bring in the new year than start working on the bus? So I did a little bit of work on some of the walls. Alright guys, so just trying to get these 2x4s up for the wall. This is going to complete the shower and actually make a complete hallway. I still have to do this other side here to finish that up. But now just trying to figure out how I'm actually going to mount these to the bus and see how many 2x4s it takes. So we'll go from there and see what it takes. Okay, so now that I got the main support attached to the top, now we just got to figure out a way to attach all the rest of them. But let me show you the top real quick. So this is a better view of what I showed you last time. I just have these two L brackets that are attached on both sides straight through the frame, and it is pretty sturdy just by itself, with just two screws in there and then one on the other side. I can't get the other one because the roof curves. So all I gotta do now is attach the bottom and then put more 2x4s along this base here and keep going from there. And so today what I'm probably gonna do is try to get a little bit more of those done. And just try to get as much as I can with the daylight that I have left. I had to do a lot of running around today, but yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, so where I'm starting off from last time, I actually ran out of screws, so I had to stop for that night. So what I'm going to do is, since the brackets up here are only holding this one to the ceiling, I have to take this one and create spacers for them. Just cut them out of 2x4. And cut maybe 3 of them. Just push them in there and then leave that. And then I'll come along this wall here and then go this way with the wall. See how that turns out. basically need to put more posts up to finish up that wall. I have a piece of wood that's already the height that I want for all of them. So all I gotta do is put this down, mark it, cut it, and then put it up. There. Grab the, yeah, thank you. Square. We'll go cut these up and put them up, and we'll go from there. Making all kinds of noise, I swear. Alright guys, so it got late. The sun went down real quick like it always does. And it's starting to get a little cold. But we got some stuff done. We're able to get this actual wall up here. Now I have a shower. So this will be the shower one day. And it'll be a step down. So this will basically, you have all this room up here. Braced those in there and actually completed these in here, so the bathroom is completely framed in now. So it's really about it. I'm not gonna have as many of these videos for the winter time just because it gets so cold, and it's hard to work until I get the wood burning stove up and running, but who knows when that will happen. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.